Mr. Kai, you have the hiccups. Yeah? You're so cute. Even with the hiccups. Oh, poor baby.